Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll walk you through creating an eye-catching splash poster step by step in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 200 by 200 pixels and confirm your dimensions. Finally, click Create New Design to start working on your custom size project. Next, go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Splash. Browse the results and select the Graphics section. Find and click on Smartphone Graphics to add it to your design workspace area. Select this sample. Next, click to enlarge it for a better view. Once enlarged, you can make your adjustments as needed. If you wish to add elements or annotations, use the available tools to insert them directly onto the sample. Continue editing until you achieve your desired result, then save the changes when you are satisfied. Select the text sample on your screen. In the formatting options, locate the text color setting and change the color to white. Ensure the text visibly updates to white on your document. Once the color change is complete, select and erase this text sample to remove it from your project. To change the font, first select the text you want to modify. Choose your preferred font from the font drop-down menu. After updating the font, click the Share button located in the upper right corner. From the sharing options, select Save as PNG. When prompted, choose where to save the file on your computer. Rename the file to flash.png for easy identification. Then hit the Download button to complete and save your image. Next, go to the Upload section and select the file named splash.png. Wait for the file to load completely. Once you see splash.png appearing in the list, select the previous version of the file and delete it to remove any older copies. After deleting, upload the splash.png file again to ensure that the latest version is in place. Confirm it appears in your uploaded files list. Press the slash key to open the command menu. From the menu, select the option to add an image. Click on Upload, then choose Upload File. Browse your computer and select the photo sample you want to use. Click Open to upload the image. Wait for the upload to complete. Once the image appears, confirm it has loaded successfully before moving forward to the next step in your workflow process. Go to the Apps menu and search for Blend Image. Once you locate the Blend Image option, select it to proceed. Set this image as your top layer within the blend options. After setting it as the top layer, you will see a set of adjustment tools available. Use these tools to precisely align and position the top layer image over the base. Carefully adjust the opacity and placement to ensure the two images blend smoothly and seamlessly. Make sure that the edges are matched as needed for your desired result. When you are satisfied with the alignment and blending, confirm your changes. This technique lets you combine two images for a variety of creative or professional effects within the application. Now that you've finished your final product, it's time to add the last step. On your screen, locate and click the Add button to include your changes. Next, review the final overview to ensure everything is accurate. If you're satisfied, click Done to confirm. Your final product is now defined and saved. You can now proceed with any additional actions or share your completed work as needed. Click Share, then select Download. Choose PNG to save your image or select PDF Print if you need a print-ready file instead. You just learned how to design a splash poster in Canva. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.